Hey guys, I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, I'm in the mood for Sambal Belacan long beans. Let's start! Cut a piece of belacan the size of your small finger and dissolve it in water. Get some chili paste ready, some sugar, dried shrimps, and we have long beans, fish cake, garlic, chili and carrot.
There might be something I forgot, but all I know is that I miss you a lot.
Put in the dry shrimps on a hot pan.
7 days of eternity, 7 days in another country.
Drizzle in the cooking oil.
Every cell screams stay right here, and my legs they freeze us in fear.
Put in the garlic and carrot.
We got time after this, but I'll need you as my brightest light. Even in the dark,
Toss it for a while.
you shine so bright.
Add in the shredded chili, sliced fish cake and the cut long beans. Then stir fry.
Can someone make this disappear? I'm having a crisis down here.
Add in the chili paste and some drinking water.
And if I can't see you, I lose my mind. I like to be with you all my time. And I miss you so much, the pain won't stop. It's the only
Add in the white sugar, then the dark soy sauce.
every cell screams get back home. Every day is so long. We got time after
Finally, add in the pulverized belacan.
my brightest light.
Stir fry and mix the ingredients up well.
In the darkest night, I'm at an all-time low. I need you to be here.
Cover the pan for 7 seconds.
Addicted to your
Open it up, stir for another half a minute and it's done.
you shine so bright.
This Sambal Belacan long beans is definitely very appetizing that can eat a lot. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and I look forward to seeing your comments. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!